Salam everyone, I hope you guys have amazing day. Tonight is Thanksgiving night. We have a turkey and then we have a lamb meat with rice, Qabili, Pulao. Also tonight we have a food challenge with Ahmad Muhammad. Who got a winner?
Daddy! Uncle!
Oh really? Okay. So we get our food, we go there and do food challenge. Ready? Yes. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I get this one. So, you want this one or this one? Which one? Which one do you? Okay. Now also we get it's very hard. Which one you want?
Give me this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
And you like a bit more.
okay. So, now we go there and start our challenge. Let's go. So, we sit here and Muhammad offered me we gonna bid for $100, $100 US. If everyone wins, they should pay $100. That's a lot of money. So he also add one extra cup of Coke. I have 1 cup of Coke. He has a 2 cup of Coke. And now we set up timer for 5 minutes. Let's see who's gonna win. 1, 2, 3. my god. So now Daniel, David decide who's gonna winner. Who's winner? Come here.
He did. Look at him. He that much. Dad. Yeah.
I lost $100 for food challenge at Thanksgiving night. Guys, I tried my best. My food is left here. And Muhammad is winner. And he eats almost all of them. The meat, turkey, lamb. I hope you guys like the Thanksgiving night and our food challenge. Do you ready for next challenge?
Yes, I'm always ready.
Oh my god. So next time we are order some pizza or we're going to some other restaurant, try another food challenge. We're going to Halal restaurant, try some food challenge or we order some food. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please share with your family, friend, and support your halal food sister. I'm going to city, country to country, review halal food. Assalamu alaikum. Have a great night. Ya Allah. Assalamu alaikum.